going on a tour drive. The plus side to this time, like we're in this lockdown thing, everybody's throwing stuff away. I'm 20 steps from my house and I've already found something I can use. I'm going to go back and get it. Oh! Scrap metal, can use that. So anyway, 20 steps from our door, load of scrap metal tubing. I know, I was just looking at building a motorcycle test bench frame the other day. That'll come in perfect. So that's loaded up in the van, and on we go. This time here, there's people getting rid of all sorts. There's a bookshelf on the side of the road there. Chairs out. I'm looking for something. I'm looking for rubbish really. But we'll see what we can find. Over there are giving away a piano. Looks like a bit of fun, but I think my neighbours are annoyed enough by engine sounds, let alone me learning the piano. That would be awful. That would be awful for everyone involved. Probably doesn't work. It's probably all banged up and out of tune. But stuff is out there. So today I'm going to show you how to make an engine stand out of an old trampoline frame. Let's do it. So the first thing I'm going to do is measure 50 centimeters out for the base. Stand up there, 50 centimeters is there. That's my cut mark. Now I'm going to do the other. So once you cut the leg down, this one is about 50 centimeters along the base and I didn't measure the height because, as you can see, that was where the pole ended, so I just got another piece of pole and attached it. So we're starting with that. So we start with where we're going to drill our holes. So this is our front brace. This one's about 25 centimeters long. Drilled a hole right through, out the other side. I used M8 bolts, use what you got. Right through, right out the other side. This is my back support. That's 40 centimeters long. No real reason for these measurements, this is just how I cut them. I decided to make the cross supports about as wide as the engine was at those points, figuring it would be more stable. So anyway, that's 40 centimeters. Drilled a hole all the way through, come out the bottom. Then for the engine mounts at the base, I drilled 3 holes, 50mm, another 50mm, another 50mm, so that's 50, 100, 150mm. Then I drilled through the bottom of this one so I could feed a bolt through to hold on to the bottom leg. Then I drilled a hole through the bend all the way out the back end to screw into the front rest. That's all the drilling on that part. Then when you bolt it together, it looks like this. So here you can see, so my 3 holes are drilled through, 50, 100, 150. With the head, the bolt I drilled through the bottom there. Oh, focus, no, it's focusing on that. There you go. Bolt I drilled through the bottom there, holding there, the bolt coming through there. Now, these 2 pieces of metal here were actually to hold part of the motorcycle on the front knee shield. I just nicked them. I'll probably end up making a bracket that covers 2 holes and supports that, or just to make sure it's secure, but that holds pretty tight at the moment. And then up here you can't see the first hole because it's behind this bracket, but I just measured up again from the pole I put on 50, 100, 150 and 200. I left this on because when I come to bench testing the bike, what I'm planning on doing is mounting an old lawnmower petrol tank that's got a small amount of petrol in there and a little throttle assembly, so I can actually bench test the engine when it's all fixed. And that is my trampoline bike stand for free.